Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Blessed my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Manners and respect to each and every one. Blessed to all farmers, manners and respect to all hardworking persons out there. Yeah, I respect anyone who try to make a honest living. My people, I want you to listen to some words that a person said in a video that I'm about to present to you. And you can also tell me what would you do if you find yourself in a situation that the person said in the video that I'm about to present to you. Now, I want to make it very clear that I am only going by some words that the person said in the video that I'm about to present to you. I'm only going by some things that the person said in the video. Some words that the person said in the video make me feel sad at certain points. My people, tell me what would you do? Look and listen to this video for yourself. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Imagine, tell me now as a young farmer, more and more little workers, people to work for me, and me can't get nobody. And you hear me? Me come now to come get my planting them to go make a money. And God know, I saw the man them do me planting them.
Listen.
See them there?
Listen.
I saw the man them come and go through and cut out the whole of my planting them star. See them there?
Look on here.
Imagine, more while me there in a rain, me alone and God there, brother. And me want some man for work and me can't get nobody. And imagine me there and me say me I try do my little thing them, right? Me nah nobody I give me nothing, my woman, me no beg, me work hard for what me want. And imagine, I saw the man them come and them go through right through the farm and I saw them do me planting them. You see it? Tell me now. Tell me now. What the hell me for do now? What me for do? Me as a woman and me alone. More while, me want a man for come work. See there? So then do me things them. Everyone and me planting them, the man them go through the farm and them cut out the whole and me planting them. Imagine. Imagine, see them there? See them there? Yo, God, a true man would even know right now when me have to go through. Come, you know, come from the farm and say, yo, God, boy, me get mad, I can't believe everything. The man them cut out. The man them cut out everything, brother. Me have to work so hard. Right now, me there, me want a little help. And me not see nobody. Me can't get nobody to come help me do nothing none at all, bro. Nothing at all. And me there, me still come every day. And me try do what me I do. Me try do what me I do right through same way. And say, yeah, if me come and me can put in 110 or me can put in 15. Or me can chop little grass. Me still come and me do something that feel me one. You understand? Me not see no man to care me try. You care me try all when me have the money for pay, me still not get a man to come do me, help me do nothing. And I saw the man them go through right through and cut out the whole of me can them. But remember me tell you, know, anybody who come in on my blood farm, I'm sorry, you know, it nah go so. Me tell anybody that, see them there, I saw the man them do me planting them. Everything they cut out, and me nah ask crazy, nah go so. And me nah make it go so. Yeah. Imagine a me a woman, me's a female, me's not a man, and the man them no want do nothing. And as soon as they say a man a try to do a thing, but the man them go through and people them place, bro. Queer. Everything the dog them gone with. Yo, what me no left me for do now? As a woman will try. What they left me for do? I want to know what the hell they left me for do. What the hell me for do now? See there? And my little earn this and my little living this and brother. At this me live off and who know me, no man. A farming me live off and I have to have little things to make a money, you know me. And me pitney them in, brother. And the people them come and go through and cut out the whole of me blouse and skirt plant them and I feel, you know, brother. And me alone, and one little friend when me will come help me now and then, you know, me not see nobody, you know, man. Me and God ask who know me on TikTok see me more while me alone and my bush I do me thing, bro. And now me come to my little things and to make a little money off of them. I tell me say they want for them, contact them like and I film them. Son burn me more while to blows and while me bend them back for put in all them things, bro. And fall over my head become like me one drop down. Me hot, rain come wet me and me say me now come out of the blouse and skirt bush. Me I do me work same way. Me not see nobody and yo, you gotta tell me so the man them come right through and cut off the whole of me plan of them. Yo, brother, true man would even know, you know. Me there right now, I pain me, I feel come me and say, Jaja, you know how much money this the man done gone for me? You know how much money this brother? Me and God right now, see there, me there, me alone. Rain out for come catch me there, me alone and God. Me not see nobody and the man them have the heart. It's not to come through, I imagine. And cut all my things them out of my farm, bro. Yo, what you man would even know? Me not do them things to people. When me go buy things from people at farm, man, if the man them say $100 or $10,000 for them things, me don't grumble and me don't bawl. If me can't afford it, me leave it and me go. If I cannot buy it, if me know me I gonna make a fight. And from there, so me start from buying goods until me say, yo, me I do me local farming. And see it now, this is the biggest reaping me I go ever get out of my farm. Huh? This is the biggest reaping me I go get out of my farm, brother. Yeah. And the man them reap everything. They not even say, well, yo, me I go take 1, 2 hours a bunch and left a few for the old. Then take away every God almighty thing. Yeah, that's what that means. So me could have me there run a more while and me have to go be careful of my bumbo whole life because me can there man running for me and kill me over my own things, bro.
Oh, yeah.
So me know me that bush me have to go real here watch and I look out and I work and I look as man I come in for me come kill me over my own and sit them on my plant, brother. Over me things them on my plant. And when me a plant them, me not see nobody fail me, nobody at all, me can't get nobody to help me and the man them come and go through and take down every blood thing like I feed them, bro. Somebody I go feel, you know. And to be honest, somebody I go feel him. And I ask Christ, somebody I go feel this, brother. Yo, I don't even know, me can't even live for far, me can't do nothing right now, because me I say, yo, the people them gone with everything. All of me planting them. Imagine, look here, look what all this a plant here is. Look what all this a plant here is. And what I know? So I'm planting left back a ground here, so yeah. This I go smaddy. The plant here where you see left back a ground, I go smaddy. Me not ask Christ. See how they see them terrible? Could they them chop down the tree? Imagine. So don't plant off a tree and left it. But they left for evidence because at the end of the day this I'm gonna ask Christ. Yeah, if I saw them want you, I saw them all get it. Could my farm clean and stay. And me alone and God do this. See there? Me alone. And if you spray and me kept me spray pan on my back. Me alone, me not see nobody to help me, I do nothing. And me go through and me spray right through. Yeah. And the man them really have the heart to come through and teach me like this. Me no want know how we know. But me no want to say anybody who come in and will get. That's all me have to say. Imagine. The whole of me plant them, the man them cut out, brother. Everything. I'm going to say everything that even one, then left back for me go market with. Not even one of me plant them left back for show you how the man them heartless. There's a lady I try. It's a lady, it's not a man. And you know, none of them man to say you can't find some of them man to come do no work. But yesterday see a woman I try and come thief from the lady every God almighty thing. As a man, all the boy them man is a heartless and cold man. All the evil and wicked some man. As a man. Me don't know what this world are going to with my blood. Workless, dirty, nasty man, ya brother. As a man, bro. Is a woman that try, you know? Is a woman that try do something, brother. And the man them come and go through and cut down the whole of my blouse and skirt planting them. Then cut down, look up on the nice lovely bunch of plant them a butter and try if you get. Could they? And could they? The man then come and cut out every God almighty thing out of your farm. So tell me now. Tell me now. I mean, no do nobody nothing. Me go, you know, if you want to know how far me walk go a man in time. You know, want to know how far it take me an hour and a half for walk come a bush a man in time. Sometimes all in a sun, me have to walk come and see him God almighty if you can do what me have to do. And look what the man them really got through and do me bush ball. Yo, me I tell you, say no man, you nah go say no, me say no go say, me nah left you say, because if me left you say, they nah go stop, you know, me have to go smaddy, you know. Me I go damage smaddy, you know.
Alright, my people. Let me say this before me say certain words, because I'm going to give at least one advice. I am only going by words that I hear the person say in the video, or I'm only going by some things when I hear the person say in the video. I'm not able to confirm anything that the person say in the video to be accurate or true. No. One of the main things I want to point out that you should do when it comes on to a situation like this is contact the police. Let police be aware of a situation like what me hear the person said in the video. Now, one of the main thing, which I think this should be one of the number one thing that you should do, is make sure that you are safe. I hear when the person make a point in the video that have me thinking. See, just imagine you alone at an area like that doing farming. You see what I say? You are just imagining. You know? See, so I think that safety is the main thing that should be considered when it comes down to a situation. I mean, people, I tell you, it's based on some words when you hear the person say in the video. I feel sad at one point, I feel a certain way at another point. It's set away. You see what I say? Some people, let me know, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation that I hear the person said in the video that I presented to you? What would you do? Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?